Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be testing a 511 0004C. This 4C master control unit came in for repair. Apparently it came from France. Inside, I found a bunch of wires disconnected. Don't ask me why, but they disconnected wires. I hooked the wires back up to where they need to go. The GCU checks out. I'm not finding anything wrong with the GCU. The function module checks out. Again, not finding anything wrong there. I just don't know why they unhooked the wires, but they did. So we're going to get into some testing here. For the test, of course, good old 200 amp starter generator. Two 24 volt batteries for the test. And let's see here. We got our voltage right here, hooked up to the bus. And we got current hooked up inside. All right. We got our test set here. Simulates our pilot's panel. And I've also got our load bank hooked up right here. That's hooked up right up there. So we're going to throw some load on it. Probably 100 amps or so. You know, starter generator's rated for 200. I could go to 200. What the heck? We don't know. We'll see where we go. Okay, so let's turn on our master switch. Great, so batteries are in parallel, 25.7 volts. Hit the boost switch, and you should be able to hear it go from parallel to series. And 1, 2, 3, here we go. Good start. Okay. So next up, let's turn on our generator. Our generator switch here crapped out, so we have to put in this temporary switch for now. So turn that on and bring up some RPM. The sun's coming out. Sorry for shaking my phone. Secretly disguised as my camera as well. There we go. Okay, so we're pumping 28 volts into the batteries at 12 amps, 11 amps. All right. So far, so good. Let me show you this. On the back of these GCUs, if you can hear me, it's kind of loud right here, is a little adjuster that adjusts the voltage. Let's see if I can show it to you. I'm adjusting it. So, let's put it right there. That's good. Great. Now, let's throw a load on it. How about that? 50, 100, 150 amps. Yeah. That's good. All right, here we go. Let's dump a load. 1, 2, 3. All right, just dumped a 150 amp load on it. Didn't seem to affect it at all. Sure, it brought it down, but heck, it's 150 amps. Ah, it's kind of dark right there because of the sunlight. Okay. Thank you for watching and have a good day.